In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can write Chinese characters on your Apple Watch. Before I show you how you can do this, I will just say that it's not the nicest experience, mainly because the screen is quite small, but with some practice, you'll actually get the hang of it pretty quickly. The same is true of using English characters on the alphabet. After a while, you get used to it and it becomes kind of second nature. That said, it's pretty neat that you can squiggle Chinese characters on your wrist. What a time to be alive. And also a useful practice tip when you're out on maybe public transport, kind of like a portable Skritter app on the go. And also maybe you're in a place where you can't talk out loud and dictate into your watch and look like Dick Tracy.
Dick Tracy calling Hemlock Holmes. Go ahead, Tracy.
This could be a useful kind of scratch pad for typing out some kind of secret message. Okay, let's show you how you can set up your Apple Watch so that you can write Chinese characters on the go. Oh, and FYI, you can't actually use an Apple Watch, but a cheap stylus will actually work better than expected. So to get started, first you need to make sure the languages are installed on the keyboard. So go to Settings, go to General, pick Keyboard from the list, and then add the languages that you want to squiggle in. So today we're going to do Simplified and Traditional Chinese. So pick QWERTY and go Done. Now in order to change the language on the actual Apple Watch, just go inside of a chat message, force touch on the glass and pick Choose Language, and then you'll see all the different languages that you've got installed as keyboards. So here I'm just going to demo typing 好久不见, which is long time no see. So as you can see, it's doing it pretty well. And these characters are in simplified. So to autocomplete a character or word, just write the character and then spin the digital crown like this. So as you can see here, I've written E, and if I scroll up or down, you'll see all the different possible combinations. So here I've selected 一个人, and here, 你, if I write 你 and then scroll the digital crown, you'll see all the different common options. So you've got 你们, 你在, 你说. Now to do punctuation, you just kind of draw the symbols. So for a period or full stop, just a small circle works, although it's kind of hit or miss. As you can see, this recognizes it as a 0. So my advice is just double tap the spacebar at the bottom. Now let's have a go at doing a whole sentence. So just hit that little button, and I'm going to do the famous Star Wars phrase, 我是你的爸爸. Luke, I am your father. Or come to think of it, it could translate as, I am your daddy, which is not what I'm going for. So you can see there, incorrectly recognized 你 as 心, so I'm just rewriting that. But in general, with a bit of practice, the scratch pad works pretty well. So 爸爸, missing a stroke here, but if I move the crown, then you get some common collocations. So I just picked 爸爸. Another useful function is, once you're on the correct language, you can scroll down below the 4 buttons and you get access to some common Chinese responses. So we've got 好, 当然, 没问题, 谢谢. So these are quite useful if you just want a quick canned response. And if you type something wrong or it detects it wrongly, just tap on the character and then spin the crown to pick from a range of options. So there you go, hopefully you've learned a new function of your Apple Watch so that you can write Chinese or Japanese characters on your actual wrist. Now of course, if you want to learn how to write Chinese or Japanese characters, well, Skritter's got your back. It's one of the best apps for learning Chinese or Japanese characters. So use the links in the description to download the app for free, and if you're interested in getting a premium subscription, use the coupon code below for a big discount. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this short little video, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.